what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about WireGuard versus V2Ray. Which among the two is the better VPN? So let's talk about it. Both offer ways to secure your internet traffic, but they're built for very different situations. So let's figure out which one might be right for you. Let's start with WireGuard. It's a modern VPN protocol, fast, clean, and minimal. It's like a streamlined version of older VPN tech built for speed and security. You can use it to route all your internet traffic through a server, perfect for hiding your IP, securing public Wi-Fi use, or bypassing local restrictions. V2Ray, on the other hand, is more like a toolbox for internet privacy. It's not just a VPN. It supports multiple protocols like VMES, Shadowstocks, and more. V2Ray, on the other hand, is more like a toolbox for internet privacy. It's not just a VPN, it supports multiple protocols like VMES, Shadowsocks, and more. It is designed to get around deep packet inspection and censorship. So while WireGuard is more focused, V2Ray is more flexible and often used in countries where the internet is heavily restricted. So when would you use each? If you want a simple, fast, and secure way to protect your connection, WireGuard is probably your go-to. It's great for setting up your own VPN or using a service that supports it. It's lightweight and performs really well, even on mobile. And if you're dealing with aggressive censorship like firewalls that block or throttle VPN traffic, V2Ray is where it really shines. It can disguise your traffic, blend in with normal web use, and even tunnel through other protocols. Basically, it's built to slip past things that might stop WireGuard in its tracks. WireGuard's strengths: simplicity, speed, and strong encryption. It's great if you want a no-fuss VPN with modern security. WireGuard's strengths: simplicity, speed, and strong encryption. It's great if you want a no-fuss VPN with modern security. But it's not built to evade censorship, and on its own, it's not stealthy. So in some places, it might get blocked. To raise strengths: obfuscation, versatility, and its ability to bypass tough network restrictions. But it comes with a steeper learning curve. Setting it up can be tricky, especially if you're doing it from scratch. And while it can use VPN-like tunneling, it may not always be as fast or efficient as WireGuard. So in conclusions, they're really not competitors, more of like they're tools for different jobs. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you learn about WireGuard and V2Ray and their differences. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!